Hi, it's me again. Um, the training hit the 21K step, and then here I've made a couple of changes. Sorry, for example, the pip installed TensorFlow 2.13. I've increased the number of steps so the training can continue from the step 21,000 to 40,000, and then I generated the valid TF records. Since I changed the number of steps, I have to download the config again and execute the script again to modify the pipeline. Then I execute the training again, and when I execute the training again, it will continue from the step 21,000 all the way to 40,000. Here for the TensorBoard, it's a tool for metrics visualization. You can load the extension TensorBoard using the command line here, and then launch the TensorBoard and point the log dir here to current dir / training, because remember we specified the model dir in the previous video and set it to current dir / training. As you can see here, the losses decrease over the time. For example, here in the step 22,000, the total loss is 0.48, and